good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 37 to verse 42. No judge other people. No judge people like say God can't pardon them. If uno do that, the same thing I go reach uno. And nobody say nobody guilty and write them off. Cause that will reach uno too. Pardon people. And uno we get pardon too. Gi and uno we get whole heap with all brata. Uno cup I go full so till it all a run over. The way uno deal with other people, same way them a go deal with uno. And Jesus said this to teach them sitting. Blind man can lead blind man. The two of them now we drop in a one hole. Nobody will learn no higher than them teacher. But when they don't learn, them all come in like them teacher. When me could look upon the sawdust in a brother eye, and when now watch the big piece of plank in a phone. Oh, uno fi say, me brother, make me take the sawdust out of your eye. When same time, uno no see the big piece of plank in a phone. Hypocrite. Take the plank out of phone your eye first. Then, uno will see better if you take the sawdust out of uno brother eye. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God